In Workflow 2, we focused on achieving G0 positional continuity to create closed models for manufacture. In this workflow, we focus on G2 and G3 continuity, which are the aesthetic standards that are needed for automotive exteriors and many other premium products. And the terminology for this area of surface modeling can be confusing. So Class A is a very specific term used in the automotive industry, which encompasses technical expertise in the manufacture of automotive exteriors and components, and also expertise in using NURBS and Bezier mathematical surfaces to create the geometry of the vehicle design to an exacting high standard. And equally, an alias professional has a range of skills, and may use the software for rapid concept development, for detailed design, but also for production quality surfaces. And it's where these two professions overlap that I will use the term technical surfacing to describe the tools and techniques for crafting high-quality surface data for production. Now, technical surfacing is a complex skill, so in this workflow I just want to introduce a few of the key techniques, so that if you need to start working at Class A level, you can begin to explore the capabilities of Alias straight away. The first tutorial covers ways of evaluating the surface quality using zebra stripe reflections, light tunnel simulation, ISO angles and isophotes. And the next looks at the curvature cone plots and how they can be applied through the cross-section editor. And then we take an in-depth look at the modelling tolerances and measurement tools. And then we switch from evaluation to modelling techniques. And the first is the Transform CV tool, which has been specifically designed to provide the fine control when moving CVs. And the second looks at how we deal with complex trimmed edges and still retain control over the flow and the number of CVs in our curves and surfaces. And to accompany these, there's a theory builder which outlines what Class A modelling is if you're new to it, and also a set of detailed tutorials on the Align tool in the Resources section, which particularly apply to technical surfacing.